Hey there, it's Sarah. Most men will never truly know when a younger woman is checking them out, and that's because they don't know what to look for. Don't be one of them. In this video, I'm going to reveal the subtle signs younger women use to show interest, so you can spot it every time. Stay tuned for our bonus tip at the end of the video. It's a telltale sign you won't want to miss. Before we explore today's topic, if you're open to transforming your dating strategies, click on the link below for a free 60-minute coaching call with one of our experts. Ready to decode her signals? Let's get started and uncover the truth together. 1. They smile at you and look away. Imagine this. You're going about your day when you catch a fleeting glimpse of a younger woman. Your eyes meet, and she flashes a smile, a quick, enchanting grin that seems to light up her face. Before you can even react, she looks away, almost as if she's trying to hide her excitement. But here's the secret. That smile is not just a random gesture. It's a carefully crafted signal, a silent but powerful message saying, "Hey, I'm interested in you." This isn't about a casual, fleeting smile you'd get from a stranger. No, this is the kind of smile that lingers in your memory, one that carries an undercurrent of genuine attraction. When she gives you that smile and then diverts her gaze, it's a sign that she's actively showing interest while maintaining a touch of modesty. It's her way of saying she's noticed you and would like to see if you'll take the bait. So if you catch her in this act, don't brush it off. Take it as a green light to approach and engage. Her smile is not just a simple expression, it's a subtle invitation, and it's one of the clearest signs she's checking you out. 2. They hover or hang around the areas you frequent. Picture this. You have your favorite coffee shop, the one where you've perfected the art of getting that perfect espresso. Or maybe it's a particular park where you take your daily jog. Now, imagine that each time you visit these spots, you notice a familiar face. She's there too. Whether it's at the counter getting her own latte or casually strolling along the jogging path, this isn't just a quirky coincidence. When a younger woman consistently shows up in the same places you frequent, it's more than just random chance. It's a clear sign that she's strategically positioning herself within your orbit. She's not just popping up, she's deliberately blending into your routine, like a chameleon in a familiar setting. Why would she do this? Simply put, she wants to stay close to you, to be near you, and catch your eye. This behavior shows she's keen on keeping you in her line of sight, whether it's to subtly observe you, strike up a conversation, or just to see if you notice her presence. It's her way of creating opportunities for interaction and gauging your interest from a comfortable distance. 3. She notices any changes in you. Imagine this. You walk into your favorite cafe, feeling pretty good about that fresh haircut you just got. As you're waiting for your coffee, she leans in with a warm smile and casually mentions how much she likes your new look, or how great you're looking after hitting the gym. It's not just a polite observation, it's a sign she's been paying attention. It's more than simply small talk when a younger woman focuses on the subtle improvements in your look, like a chic haircut or your well-toned body. Her remarks serve as a kind of best reel for you, indicating that she has been following you and appreciating your efforts. Every comment regarding your new clothes or your improvement in the gym is a subliminal hint that she has been watching you closely and mentally, capturing moments of your development. This isn't random flattery. It's her way of showing interest and making it clear that she's engaged in more than just surface-level interaction. By noticing these details, she's telling you, "Hey, I'm paying attention and I care about what's happening with you." So the next time she comments on something you've changed, take it as a sign of her growing interest and the possibility of stronger connection. 4. She shifts in her chair. Imagine this scenario. You're in a cafe and there's a woman seated across the room. You catch her eye, and for a brief moment, her gaze meets yours. Suddenly, she shifts in her chair, adjusting her posture, smoothing her dress, or even subtly turning her body away. At first glance, it might seem like an innocent adjustment, but there's more to it than meets the eye. When a woman shifts in her chair upon catching your gaze, it's often a sign she's been caught in the act of admiring you. Think of it like this. Her sudden shift is akin to someone caught in a secret mission. She's been covertly checking you out, and when you notice her, she makes a swift adjustment to divert attention. It's her way of covering her tracks and playing it cool, trying to maintain an air of casualness despite her true feelings. This shift in her posture isn't just about comfort. It's a subtle, almost instinctive reaction. It's as if she's momentarily startled by your attention and is trying to reset her demeanor. She might adjust her clothing, straighten her posture, or even look away to regroup. All these small movements are her attempt to recalibrate after being discovered. What's key here is understanding that this behavior is a strong indicator of interest. It reveals that she's been focusing on you, perhaps admiring your presence or even the way you carry yourself. Her reaction is a blend of surprise and a desire to keep her admiration under wraps, revealing that she's invested enough to be caught in the act. Enjoying the video? Give it a like and tell us what you think. And if you're looking for tailored advice, our free dating strategy call will teach you how to meet more women and confidently navigate the dating scene. Reserve your session through the pinned comment. 5. Her friends pay close attention to you. Picture this. You're at a social event or hanging out at a popular spot, and you notice a group of women glancing your way, occasionally whispering among themselves. One of them keeps casting you sidelong glances, while another seems particularly interested in your every move. It might seem like just a coincidence, but if she's interested in you, those friends are likely part of her informal reconnaissance team. When a woman is into you, her friends become her eyes and ears on the ground. They're not just there to hang out. They're actively gathering intel, assessing you, and reporting back. Think of them as her personal squad of love detectives, tasked with evaluating whether you're a worthy candidate for her affections. They scrutinize your behavior, your interactions, and your overall vibe to help her gauge your potential. These friends might seem like they're merely socializing, but their keen observations are a sign that you've piqued her interest. They'll look for clues about your personality, your interests, and how you interact with others. If they're giving you the once-over and discussing you in hushed tones, it's a clear indicator that you're a hot topic in their conversations. 6. She finds a way to keep the conversation going. Imagine this. You're in the middle of a conversation with her, and rather than letting the dialogue fizzle out, she keeps it buzzing with energy. She's not just nodding and offering one-word answers. She's actively engaged, tossing follow-up questions your way, sharing snippets of her life, and diving into various topics. This is more than just casual chat. It's a clear sign that she's genuinely interested in you. She genuinely wants to learn more about you. Thus, she's not letting the conversation end. She's inquiring about your opinions, your passions, and your experiences, rather than just the surface-level exchanges. Her inquiries are meant to elicit more substantive discussions and reveal your true motivations. However, it doesn't end there. In an attempt to establish a rapport, she is also expressing her personal experiences and viewpoints. She's drawing you into her world and keeping the conversation interesting by sharing details about her own life and interests. This conversation is more than just a means of passing the time. It gives her a chance to find areas of agreement and gauge how well you two get along on another level. Bonus tip: she tries hard to find your common interests. If she's making a concerted effort to dive into your world and explore your interests, that's a clear sign of attraction. Picture this. You're chatting about a hobby you're passionate about, and instead of just nodding along, she starts asking detailed questions or even shares her own experiences related to that topic. Maybe she picks up on your favorite sport, genre of music, or a book you've mentioned, and suddenly she's engaging in conversations about them with genuine enthusiasm. When she goes out of her way to understand and participate in what excites you, it's a clear indicator that her interest in you is more than superficial. She's committed to creating a connection that goes beyond surface-level interactions, demonstrating that she's genuinely invested in building a stronger relationship. So now you know if she's checking you out, what's next for you? Discover why being older makes you more desirable, or learn what a younger woman will do when she wants you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.